Hi, my name is Castro, and we are going to talk about feedback dialog. First, we were going to check how the dialog is embedded in the iframe. Then we are going to talk about this, what compile parameters it is needed to work with, and finally some code pointers. Then you can read the code and do some customization according to your needs. First, it is needed to create servers. Let's suppose we are creating the testrating.com feedback HTML, and this service is running, and we can test on local network or internet in your browser that the dialog form you design it is properly working in the client side. The next step is to compile your Collabora online instance, and you need to add this parameter with the path of your feedback HTML. And when this is compiled, you have to run in the new instance will enable it to embed your specific URL to request the dialog. Well, this is an example with how the feedback the dialog will pop up after certain conditions. That you can customize that logic when what time the dialog should show to the user. And in this particular example, this is responsive to our mobile view, and when the user can rate the dialog. Okay, let's inspect some source code, and let's check the code pointers. You can check the map handler here. Is in the feedback.js, and basically the source code you can read it. They have some criteria or some logic they have to meet to show that dialog to the users, and you can check here. We are dynamically inserting the iframe with your specific URL. And some sort of parameters you need to pass. Okay, let's check this file too. If you want to inspect the iframe dialog, yes, and you will see exactly when we are creating the iframe with a specific CSS. You can put your breakpoint here and check what is happening with your feedback dialog. Do some hacking over here. You want to customize something, and you can check here to the event listener load that is attached to a functional load, and it is triggered when the browser completely download your request, and once it's completed, finally we will show the dialog. And the result will be something like that, and you probably have this other data or customization according to your needs. And basically this is simple, and you can handle this kind of feedback dialog. I hope it is clear. Well, thank you very much. Bye.